My mornings are very, very tough. I drag myself out of bed at 8 and, after a really, really hot shower and taking my pills. By 10, 11 o'clock, I'm normal.
She did. It was funny.
My name is Sharon. I'm 59 and I live in Plantation, Florida.
And I'm Peter. I'm 62.
Go for a walk?
Sharon's morning is a little bit different than mine. She tends to be more of a afternoon and evening person. So it takes her, with her condition, more like an hour or two to get up and ready. She struggles a little bit with the pain and suffering from the arthritis.
It's just kind of my cycle. And then I get up the next morning and think, I cannot get out of bed.
But she does manage to get it done. And one of the amazing things about Sharon is she has this great positive attitude about life in general.
We're going to have a great week.
This is a big year. We're going to be married 40 years. And we have 2 daughters. And it's been a great life.
So a couple of years ago, we were very involved in our lives, traveling, enjoying our lives. And I was having a difficult time being a caregiver for my mother.
And then I had a personal experience with my mom, which was in the middle 80s. My mother had 16 surgeries and 60 hospital stays and 5 broken hip operations. We had the stress, the emotional stress, the physical caring, and we had $4,000 a month, a total of $250,000. Because of our experience with my mother and the financial drain that took place, we became quite involved in the purchasing of long-term care insurance because we needed to make sure that our family was going to be properly protected.
And I protect you? Yeah.
And so we had more than adequate insurance for Sharon and myself. Our daughters own long-term care insurance, and they're only in their 30s. And we spread the word because we've seen it happen. We know what it can do if you don't have the coverage. And we were not going to allow that to happen again to our family or our friends.
I love you.
When we took out the policy, I never expected to use it. 10 years later, I all of a sudden became the patient. I went in and had surgery that we didn't expect to be as major as it was. I came out with multiple complications and wound up being 7 months at home with an aide taking care of me.
We were not looking forward to having to pay $6,000 or $7,000 a month out of pocket, and we did not have to do so.
Mm-hmm. It was a godsend to us. It was really a wonderful, wonderful benefit to be able to have that policy, to be able to choose the care I wanted, and for our life to go on as best it could under the circumstances. It was really wonderful.
If we hadn't had long-term care insurance, it definitely would have been a different situation for us. You could see everything that you've made and all your hard-earned dollars just depleted quicker than you could blink your eyes.
But I guess we were prepared for it because we did have the coverage, and it did make the difference in us being able to function over that 7-month period.
It makes me sleep better at night knowing that that's in place and that was there, and it worked.
Yes!
Woo! Living life to the fullest is really what it's all about, and that is living in the moment but preparing for the unknown.
I do enjoy having my family here and just, having quality time with my granddaughters.
That's part of our injection of good health is watching and being a participant with the grandchildren. Dealing with the future for anyone today is difficult.
But the nice thing is I know I have a great, strong support system in my family and my husband. And I have insurance to take care of my needs if I have those situations again. So we'll just deal with it as things come up, like we always have.